Senor, what's your name?
Baltasar.
Matadar. How long been you living here?
In the United States, been living 30 years.
30 years? Then
I
do you,
came here very young when I was
you are still young, man. You are
17
when you were 17 years.
years old, came here, like America, went back, Mexico,
See, same.
back here.
How is Mexico, brother?
Mexico is a very good country.
Very mucho
friendly,
trabajo, huh?
mucho trabajo,
Poco dinero.
gente más pobre, poor people.
Oh,
People is very friendly.
people friendly like him?
Yeah.
Like him? He is a very friendly. He love people. He mucho bien.
Mexico loves all kinds of people.
Kind people.
All kinds from the
Wow.
United States. Could be some states good, other ones.
Yeah, because money. This is a money. This is a machine society. Machine. More dinero. Huh.
You come to United States, go California.
He visit California.
California.
Yeah.
Nice day, huh?
Nice
Like it, yeah. Here also good city.
Yeah, but Mexico, I heard, mucho bien people. Good,
Mucho bueno people.
bueno people. See,
They don't do no problem to people.
they love people. They give food.
Yeah, they give you food, they give you water, they give you shelter.
I have touched the border of Mexico.
Yeah. See?
I have touched.
See,
That's good.
Mexico.
No, from
He,
Pakistan.
he loves,
I have visited.
We just visit.
dear, he loves Mexican mamacita. He's looking for mamacita, Mexican. See, advise him. What should he do? See, look at his smile. And he is engineer.
In Pakistan?
Pakistan.
He's here visiting only. He doesn't live here.
Okay. Amigo, have a good trip. Good to see you.
Bless you. Bless you.